Hello and welcome back to another dish of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is September the 10th, 2025, and we have a disaster in one of our dahlia patches. You can see the deer went through here and they just devoured these plants pretty much down to nothing. These were my seedlings from this year, and you can see they were starting to bloom. These are pretty much coming into full bloom, and the deer just came through and started eating them like crazy. They even went in between the fences back there for the cages to hold the dahlias up. Now some of those are my seedlings, some of those were bulked dahlia tubers, and then they grew, but that was one of my seedlings back there. It's just a stick now. I was really looking forward to seeing these bloom. Some of these were brand new varieties. I'd never had them before. But it definitely appears like the deer love to eat dahlias. And we were having issues with them at other spots. They were leaving this spot alone. And I thought, okay, you know, they should be pretty safe. And, well, they got them. So it's really disappointing to me. We are going to have to put a fence up. Now these grew the whole season without anything bothering them until just like 2 days ago. So I mean, there are still some blooms coming, but I'm not going to get the harvest out of it that I was hoping to get out of it. So I just wanted to give you this quick video update here and let you know what was going on with this. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button as I put a new video on. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.